What if the two most powerful AI tools on the planet are sitting right in front of you, and you're only using 10% of what they can do? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to master both Google Gemini and Claude AI, from smarter prompts to hidden features that will save you hours every single week. Google Gemini is Google's flagship AI. It connects directly to the internet, works inside Gmail, Docs and Drive, and can process text, images, audio, and even video. The free version is already powerful, but Gemini Advanced unlocks even more. Claude is made by Anthropic, and it's widely considered the best AI for writing, deep reasoning, and anything where quality really matters. It's more careful, more nuanced, and significantly less likely to make things up. If you're publishing content, Claude is your best friend. Here's the truth. The AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. A bad prompt gets you generic garbage. A great prompt gets you something that feels like magic. Let me show you the techniques that actually work. Always give the AI three things: context, a role, and a clear goal. Instead of saying, write a blog post about productivity, say, you are an expert productivity coach. Write a 600-word post for busy professionals titled The 5-Minute Morning Reset. Use a conversational tone and end with a call to action. The difference in output is night and day. For complex tasks, break your request into numbered steps. Tell the AI, step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. Step 3, give me the final result. This gives you a guided, interactive process instead of one answer that misses the mark. Assign a persona. Tell Claude or Gemini to act as a senior data analyst, a marketing expert, or a legal advisor. This activates a more focused, domain-specific mode, and your results get dramatically better. Gemini wins when you need real-time information. Ask it about the latest trends, recent news, or current data, and it searches the web and gives you sourced answers. It also shines inside Google Apps. In Gmail, it can draft or summarize emails. In Docs, it writes entire sections. In Sheets, it explains your data. If you live in Google's ecosystem, Gemini is essential. Claude wins when quality is the priority. Long-form writing, nuanced analysis, difficult emails, summarizing complex documents, Claude handles all of this better than anything else available. And the projects feature is a hidden gem. You can upload your files, set permanent instructions, and Claude remembers everything across every conversation. Here's the simple breakdown. Use Gemini for current events, research with sources, working inside Google Apps, and running code in the browser. Use Claude for writing content, analyzing documents, complex reasoning, and anything you're going to publish. They're not competitors, they're a team. Use both. Two features you absolutely need to try. In Claude, artifacts. When Claude creates a document or writes code, it appears in a live preview you can interact with instantly. In Gemini Advanced, gems. You can create custom AI personas with specific instructions and switch between them in seconds. A copywriting gem, a research gem, a code review gem, all ready to go. You now have everything you need to go from casual AI user to someone who actually gets real results. Practice these prompting techniques, explore the power features, and use both tools together, because that's when the real magic happens. If this helped you, like and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Are you Team Claude, Team Gemini, or do you use both? See you in the next